Hello everyone. I hope you're taking care of yourselves and each other during these unprecedented times. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, I've witnessed the resilience and selflessness of our community. From neighbors helping neighbors with their groceries, to our restaurants donating their inventory to local food banks, and the wonderful sidewalk chalk messages of hope and love. I've never been prouder to be a Hamiltonian. To our frontline healthcare workers, first responders, supply chain and other imperative service workers, you are superheroes. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything you're doing to keep our community safe. Many of you have shared your recommendations on how to continue to keep our community safe. I've seen and shared these suggestions and ideas with our Emergency Operations Center team. We are ensuring all suggestions are on the table. One of the suggestions we continue to receive is, why is the city not declaring a state of emergency? Last Friday, Council was able to meet and provide delegated authority to staff in order to effectively manage this emergency situation. Gave them all the powers they require to manage this issue. Our neighboring municipalities currently making these declarations most likely have not met to delegate that authority. I want everyone to know there is no strategic or funding advantage to declaring a state of emergency. Public health and city staff have the authority they need to make the functional decisions required. As you know, the province has declared a state of emergency for all of Ontario, making a level playing field when it comes to provincial resources. I would like to take a moment to also thank everyone in the Emergency Operations Center who are helping to keep essential services running. My council colleagues have been extremely supportive of our decisions and directions, and I appreciate each of them working hard to keep constituents informed and engaged. As many of you know, our Transit HSR public transit workers are on the front lines to ensure those who absolutely need transit service right now can easily access it. Transit is required during this time to assist our healthcare personnel, first responders, home support workers, nursing home staff, and seniors going for groceries or accessing food banks so they can get to where they need to go. Going forward, I will ask to please only travel on our buses if absolutely necessary. If you or anyone you know is experiencing symptoms and have been directed to go for COVID-19 testing, please arrange a ride. Do not take the bus. You're potentially contaminating other people with the virus you may be carrying. And if you're returning from recent travel abroad, welcome home. And please stay there for the next 14 days. This is not an ask. You must self-isolate for the next 14 days. While at home and the weather's getting nicer and nicer, we all want to get out and enjoy our parks and trails. However, many residents are not keeping a safe physical distance from others. It's imperative we keep 2 meters between us at all times and not gather in groups. Please do not use city park equipment or play structures as they are not sanitized, and the signing for that is going up as we speak. To those who choose to disregard warnings from our top health officials, who think they are not putting others at risk by continuing to gather in groups, you are wrong. You are putting your loved ones, your family members, your grandparents, your children, everyone else in our community at risk. Stay home. With your cooperation, we can help flatten the curve. Our public health teams have worked around the clock to ensure you remain updated on the latest information, and your safety is our #1 priority. Please continue to keep up to date by visiting hamilton.ca/coronavirus or by calling Public Health Services COVID-19 hotline at 905-974-9848. Be safe, be kind, stay connected to your friends through digital means. Family and those who need your support, stay connected, help one another. We will get through this together.